Hi, it's Angeline here. Do you have lots of embossing powders just lying around? Well, recently I saw Marianne from Wow Embossing Powder demonstrating this really cool technique, so I want to show it to you. What I want to do is to grab some embossing powders. I'm grabbing 3 different colors here, and I want to place them onto my heart shape here, which I've just cut out freehand from some old packaging that I had. So what you want to do is to apply a generous amount of the embossing powder and just create a random pattern on your heart shape, whichever that you like. Here I'm just mixing all 3 colors together. So once you're done, just take off the heart and remove the excess embossing powder, and if you think there's not enough colors, just add on more to it. Then next you want to grab a baking paper and place it on top of your heart and then heat the entire thing up. Once you kind of see like it's kind of melting through slightly, what you want to do here next is dab the heat tool into the heart and then lift it up. Kind of like a pounding motion, not too long because you will burn the entire thing, so just repeat this motion for a while, for a few seconds, and once you're done, just remove the entire baking paper and ta-da! Do you think the heart looks so cool? All the embossing powder has melted together and created this really nice melt art pattern. Oh, and that's not all. You could also tear off the excess piece from the baking paper and create more embellishments from this. You could cut freehand like me here. What I'm doing is to cut tiny heart shapes, or you could run it through your die cut machine to get some really cool shapes out. So next I want to adhere the hearts to my card, which I've already stamped and colored this beautiful Phyllis Harris stamp. The dog is so cute, don't you think? So I'm using some thermal web mixed media adhesive here just to adhere everything down, and that's it. So here is how my finished card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this technique on how to create some embossing powder melt art. Thanks for watching. Bye!